Good morning, guys, and welcome back to PA Street Team. For those of you that are new here, my name is Derek. I want to welcome you to my channel. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can keep up with my latest content. Today, it is a beautiful Saturday morning here in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. It is about 9 a.m. and I'm at the Import and Performance Nationals. For those of you that have been keeping up with my channel, last year when we were here, it was pouring rain pretty much 3/4 of the day. It was a disaster. I'll roll that footage now. But luckily, today is nothing like that. It is gorgeous out, no rain in sight, and I'm excited for the day. Got the R32 shined up and was able to find a hard park spot right here by the stop sign. Car's looking nice, all clean, looking good. Now, what I'm doing differently this year as opposed to last year is I just did unjudged show field. You have two options when you come to this event, where you can either be judged and pay a little bit more, or you can be unjudged, and they used to just call it fun field, where you just kind of come and hang out and you still get good parking. So that's what I decided to do this year. Luckily I was able to find some guys to park with, and it should be a good time. I'm going to go around. They have drifting here, rolling exhaust competitions, bikini contests, burnouts, pretty much everything, and it goes all weekend. I'm only going to be here today, but Saturdays are typically the day when most stuff happens. So I think we're going to get started and take a walk around. So let's go see what's going on today.
Chuki beat.
Alright guys, I've walked about half the show field so far. It is noon. Let me switch hands because I'm sure that's shaky as hell. Now I'm just chilling here. Got myself a soda. Not sponsored. We're just chilling under the tent with a wrecking crew and waiting for the low car limbo to start up. That'll be in about an hour and a half. I was trying to get footage of the drifting, and I know they're doing drift limbo right now, but because of the way the track is set up, there's no grandstands down by the track. You're up kind of on an elevated hill, and there's trees and plants and stuff in the way, so unless you have a media pass, it's almost impossible to get good footage. So that'll be a goal for next year, but that's fine because it's going to give me more battery and more memory for the other stuff I'm going to film today. But yeah, I'm just going to chill here for a little bit, take a break, and then I'm going to hit up the rest of the show field. And one of the cool things about what we've got going on here, we've got our tent, compliments to the guys at Wrecking Crew, giving them a shout out. But what we didn't realize, and we just found out, is right behind where we're parked, we've got full electric. So you can see I've got my camera battery charging because it was already dying. But yeah, so I'm going to chill here for a little bit and then start walking around again. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Chuki beat.